Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I, Ms. Sadia Iqbal, on behalf of Garrison Academy Senior Campus, welcome you all to AppSec's online support program. As we all know that this is our 10th week going on in day 2 Wednesday. So let us get started with the first part. Today, inshallah, we will be continuing and we will be finishing our exercise 2.8, whose one topic was left, which was series expansion of a function by using Taylor series expansion. Right? Previously, we did our Maclaurin series expansion, and today we will be learning about using Taylor series expansion, right? And then we will be doing question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 2.8, and then inshallah we will be starting application of derivatives by using exercise 2.9. We will be starting exercise 2.9, and initially inshallah we will be learning about concept of increasing and decreasing of a function within a given domain, within a given interval, right? And we will be doing question number 1 of exercise 2.9, which is important. The concept is very important. Exercise 2.9, please do not skip or miss any lecture of exercise 2.9, because this is the base of exercise 2.10 as well, and very important exercise. So let us get started with exercise 2.8. Today these two questions were left, question number 2 and question number 3. So these would be done by using Taylor series expansion. How would we get to know? See, in the question this is not given that prove these by using Taylor series expansion. We will get to know by this H, this is there in the formula of Taylor series expansion only. So let us get started. Firstly, I'm going to tell you about Taylor series expansion. ये है क्या? This formula is used in your book just once, so I thought it could be given to you people in your exam for MCQs, so you should know about this. But we will be using this formula in all the questions, right? So let me make you memorize this first. How would you read it? It would be read as f of x plus h equals to f of x plus h f dash of x plus h square by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus h cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x, मतलब थर्ड डेरिवेटिव, प्लस इसी तरह से 4 by 4 factorial into f fourth derivative of x plus so on, right? बिल्कुल ऐसे ही. Okay, now what is it? What does it mean? If you remember from the previous lecture, to prove this thing equals to this whole, what do we need to find? We will be finding f of x of the given function, f dash of x, f double dash of x, f triple dash of x, and after finding the values we will be putting them back in this Taylor series. That's all we have to do. ठीक है, initially. Okay, let us get started with the question. This is question number 2, very important one, especially इसका ये evaluate. Firstly, we will be proving the part which is cos of x plus h equals to cos x minus h into sin x minus cos x. There is some mistake, I guess. In the question it is h square by 2 factorial into cos x. Yes, it is h square by 2 factorial into cos x plus h cube by 3 factorial into sin x and so on, right? Let me see. Yes, ठीक है, this was a mistake. It is h square by 2 factorial plus h cube by 3 factorial into sin x plus so on. Okay, we have to prove this. Okay, now what is my Taylor series? पहले हम वो लिख लेते हैं. We know that Taylor series is f of x plus h equals to f of x plus h f dash of x plus h square by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus, I think that's it, so on, right? Okay, now if I compare this function with this, what is my f of x plus h from the given question? Definitely f of x plus h is going to be cos of x plus h, which is given into the question to us, this thing. Now what do I need? I need to have value of f of x, f dash of x, f double dash of x, and I just have to find these all values from this function. ठीक है, let us find the values. Okay, now if f of x plus h is this, what would be my f of x? Common sense, it would be cos of x. जाहिर है, my f of x is done. ये तो मुझे मिल गया, this one. Now I have to find f dash of x. कैसे? By taking derivative of this. So what is the derivative of cos of x? It is minus sin of x. I got my second value. Now I have to find f double dash of x. How? By taking derivative of this. So it would be minus outside. What is the derivative of sine of x? It is cos of x. So this is the second derivative, which is minus cos x. And what would be my third derivative? यहाँ ले लेते हैं. What is my third derivative? Keeps minus sign outside. What is the derivative of this cos x? Minus sin x. So the answer would become plus sin x. Minus minus plus. Done. Let us rewrite the formula again. F of x plus h f dash of x plus h square by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus h cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus so on. अच्छा, remember everyone, we have to prove this thing. पहले ये प्रूव करना है. अच्छा, यहाँ पे फिर वही बात, ए स्क्वायर बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल वो मिसिंग है. एनीवेज वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट थिंग. ठीक है, let me put back the values which I found in this equation. In which equation? In this Taylor series. What were the values which I found? F of x plus h was cos of x plus h. What was my f of x? It was cos of x plus h as it is rahega. What was value of f dash of x? It was minus sin of x plus h square by 2 factorial would remain as it is into what was value of f double dash of x? Iski value, what was that? It was minus cos of x plus h cube by 3 factorial as it is into what was value of this f triple dash of x? It was plus sin of x plus so on. Now I got value of this. Let me simplify it and the answer would be same as this. Let me simplify it. Okay, cos of x as it is ye minus h sin of x minus h square by 2 factorial into cos of x plus h cube by 3 factorial into sin of x, this one. So this is what we needed and this is how it was proved. Let me show it to you here because see, we needed this thing. So this half is done. अब इसमें सिर्फ ये नहीं है, we have to find this thing too, cos of 61 degree. ठीक है, we have to find the value of cos of 61 degree by using this result. Which result? This whole result. By using this whole result, we have to find cos 61. Okay, definitely cos 61, but we should have cos of x plus h somehow, but this is cos 61, one value, and we all know that cos 61 cannot be found by using the table, right? What do we find by using the table? 30 degree, cos 30 or cos 45 or cos 60 है ना, cos 90, cos 180, वो जो हमारे जेन्युइन जो नॉर्मल एंगल्स हैं. cos 61 इज़ नॉट वन ऑफ देम, जैसे ये जिस तरह की वैल्यू है. सो व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डू? We will be splitting it up. We will be writing 61 as 60 plus 1. What did I do? Cos 60, I changed this 61 into cos of 60 degree plus 1 degree. Clear? Now what is my x? 60 degree. What is my h? Look at this. I have to put all the values over here, right? In this equation, and I have to find cos 61 by using this equation. Taylor series is that important, you know. ये इस तरह से values भी आप find कर सकते हो. Anyways, now what is my x? This one, 60 degree. What is my h? It is this 1 degree, but we will not be using this 1 degree as our h. We will be converting this into radians. Let us do this thing over here in detail. See, cos 61 degree can be written as cos of 60 degree plus 1 degree, where x is 60 degree and h is 1 degree. Degree. But you will not be using this h, you will not be replacing h in the question, in the equation by 1 degree. No, you will be replacing this h by radians. 1 degree को radians में करेंगे. How would we do that? 1 multiplied by pi by 180. या आप इसको याद भी रख सकते हैं, which is you will be replacing this pi by 3.14, right? So the answer would be 0.017. So what is my h now? 0.017. Now all I have to do is I will be replacing my x by 60 degree and my h by 0.017 in the thing which we proved. What did we prove previously? Cos of x plus h equals to cos x minus h sin of x, this one is wrong, minus h square by 2 factorial into cos of x plus h cube by 3 factorial into sin of x, right? अब इस plus so on, इस सब में you have to replace the values of this x all over by 60 and this h by 0.017 बस, that's how you'll get your answer, x by 60 and h by 0.017, but इधर यहाँ पे तो हमें 61 चाहिए, राइट? सो विल बी राइटिंग इट एज cos 60 plus 1 degree which is 61, cos of 61, and now here cos 60 degree minus 0.017 into sin of 60 degree प्लस सो ऑन, ऐसे आप वैल्यूज़ पुट कर देंगे, एच की जगह 0.017 एंड एक्स की जगह पे 60 डिग्री, एंड यू विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग इट बाय यूजिंग कैलकुलेटर. लेट मी शो इट टू यू. See this thing, but do not write it as 1 degree square, this is a mistake. No, you will be writing it as 0.017 square over here, और यहाँ पे खाली 0.017. ठीक है, ये स्टेप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एनीवेज ये कैलकुलेटर से आप इसके आंसर्स निकाल लें, कैलकुलेट कर लें, एंड दिस वुड बी योर आंसर, एंड यू कैन चेक योर आंसर. मज़े की बात ये, यू कैन चेक योर आंसर बाय यूजिंग योर कैलकुलेटर. कैलकुलेटर में आप cos 61 पुट करेंगे एंड योर आंसर वुड बी डायरेक्टली 0.4848. ठीक है, दैट्स इट. दिस वन वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट. अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन, लाइक द क्वेश्चन ऑफ टेलर सीरीज, वेरी वेरी simple, very simple. Look at this one. Show that 2 raised to the power x plus h. So this would be my f of x plus h. My f of x plus h क्या होगा इसमें? It would be 2 raised to the power x plus h. So what would be my f of x? Definitely इसको देखते हुए वो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 raised to the power x. Now the main thing is to put the values. ये है हमारी, you all know, this is my Taylor series, and I need to find the value of f of x. I got it here. Now I want to have my value of f dash of x. कैसे find होगी? I will be taking derivative of this. Then I will be needing value of f double dash of x, second derivative. Then triple dash of x, triple derivative. So बस find the values and put them in the Taylor series. ठीक है, कैसे find करेंगे? This is f of x, first derivative with respect to x. We all remember that the derivative of any constant having an exponent, उसका derivative वेरिएबल एज एन एक्सपोनेंट, उसका डेरिवेटिव कैसे लेते थे? a रेज टू द पावर x, यानी जो भी टर्म थी वो एज इट इज़, इनटू नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ द कांस्टेंट द बेस, इनटू फर्दर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द पावर 2 एक्सपोनेंट 2. वो तो यहाँ पे x है तो वो 1 ही होगा. सो दिस वाज द डेरिवेटिव. यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा? द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2 रेज टू द पावर x वुड बी 2 रेज टू द पावर x एज इट इज़ इनटू नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 2. दिस इज़ फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव. व्हाट वुड बी माय सेकंड डेरिवेटिव? My second derivative, मतलब derivative of this term would be natural log of 2 being constant as it is आ जाएगा, and derivative of 2 raised to the power x would be again what? 2 raised to the power x into natural log of 2. Now you can see that the derivative of f double dash of x is, what is it? 2 raised to the power x into natural log of 2 whole square. ऐसे ही है ना? फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव में नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 2 इज़ 1, सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव में यू कैन सी नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 2 होल स्क्वायर over here. Similarly, in third derivative, you will be having 2 raised to the power x into natural log of 2 whole cube, right? आपने ये तीनों बारी बारी फाइंड करने हैं. Okay, look at this. f of x is this. f dash of x is 2 raised to the power x into natural log of 2. f double dash of x कांस्टेंट बाहर आ गया और इसका डेरिवेटिव अगेन यही. सो व्हाट इज़ द डेरिवेटिव? नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ x, नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 2 होल स्क्वायर इंटू 2 रेज टू द पावर x, एंड f ट्रिपल डैश ऑफ x वुड बी दिस थिंग, यू नो, ट्रिपल टाइम्स एज आई टोल्ड यू, दिस थिंग. ठीक है जी, वी फाउंड ऑल द 3 वैल्यूज़, क्योंकि हमें यहीं तक प्रूव करना है, प्लस सो ऑन कर देना है. सो वी विल बी पुटिंग, ऑल वी हैव टू डू इज़ पुट दीज वैल्यूज़ 1, 2, 3 and 4. Put these all values in your Taylor series. Write down your Taylor series like this and put the values over here and simplify. अब सिंप्लीफिकेशन क्या होगी? सिंप्लीफिकेशन वुड बी, यू विल बी टेकिंग नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ, सॉरी, this got 2 raised to the power x, this term also got 2 raised to the power x, यहाँ पे missing है, this term also got 2 raised to the power x, this term also got 2 raised to the power x, which is missing from all. Please ये correction कर लीजिएगा. So you will be taking 2 raised to the power x from all the terms common. You will be taking it out as common. So 2 raised to the power x बाहर निकल आया. What do you have over here now? 1 plus 2 raised to the natural log of 2 into h, ये बच गया, plus c, this thing is left, natural log of 2 whole square into a square divided by 2 factorial plus natural log of 2 whole cube into h cube divided by 3 factorial, क्योंकि 2 raised to the power x हमने बाहर common ले लिया. So see, this is done, hence proved, right? So I will be meeting you people inshallah in the next video with the next concept, increasing decreasing function. We will be starting exercise 2.8 inshallah, sorry 2.9 inshallah. So see you then.